Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're going to be sharing with you guys our top tips and tricks for you on how to achieve the ultimate interior deep clean. Alright guys, so first things first, we have to remove all the owner's belongings to get it out the way. That way we can really achieve that deep clean on all the surfaces such as the cup holders, the floor mats, the carpets, and much more. So we're going to go ahead and take everything out first, and then we're going to proceed with the next step, which is clean. Alright guys, so after removing all the owner's belongings, or so we thought, we moved the seats forward in order to remove the floor mats, only to find that there was even more trash hidden underneath the seats. So we made sure to get rid of all that as well as pull out the floor mats. Now the owner of this vehicle does have two different types of floor mats on his vehicle. He has these rubber floor mats and he also has the original carpet ones. So we removed those, and now we're going to start off with cleaning the hard surfaces on the higher part of the vehicle, such as the dashboard, the door panels, the center console, and much more. Using our Nonsense all-purpose cleaner paired with our On the Details interior brush set, we can easily spray the cleaner onto the surface, scrub it with our brush in order to break down all the embedded dirt, grime, and body oils that has accumulated on the surface over the years of not being cleaned. So after removing all this grime, we use our yellow workhorse towels to wipe away the residue of the cleaner, as well as any kind of extracted dirt and grime that we've removed with the cleaner to achieve a perfect streak-free clean. Alright guys, so moving along, we decided to tackle the leather steering wheel. So as you guys can see, this thing is absolutely filthy. It has all kinds of dirt, grime, and embedded body oils on it, and it looks very terrible. So in order to clean it, we decided to go with our leather cleaner paired with the horsehair brush. Now our leather cleaner is great because you can use it on genuine, synthetic, and vegan leather. So it works out great for removing embedded oils, grime, stains, food spills, and so much more from your leather, thus keeping it back to its original condition. So after just a little bit of scrubbing on the steering wheel, as you guys can see, this thing cleaned up very nicely. It practically looks brand new. The only thing is that there is a little bit of scratches on the steering wheel itself where the paint has kind of rubbed off. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do there, but if you guys will see the before and after results, if you guys see the before, just how dirty it was to how it looks right now, it looks incredible. Moving on, we're going to start tackling the center console right now with our total interior. Now the reason I'm going with total interior as opposed to the Nonsense all-purpose cleaner paired with the brush is because we have sensitive, smooth, glossy interior black plastics on this interior. So the last thing that we want to do is go with an aggressive brush scrubbing this kind of material down because it's going to scratch it up. So we're going with our total interior paired with a very soft and plush microfiber towel to gently wipe away any kind of dirt, dust, debris, fingerprints, and so much more for the whole center console itself. And then when it comes to the cup holders themselves, we can actually go ahead and use the Nonsense all-purpose cleaner on there with the brush to really get into all the grooves and all the rubber lining on the cup holders itself. As you guys can see, there's a ton of grime and all kinds of spills from drinks and food, and even had some Chick-fil-A sauce in there. So for these cup holders, we're going to be using the Nonsense with our On the Details brush set to just get that nice deep clean. right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and continue with the vacuum. Now we're doing this last simply because whenever you clean the higher parts of your vehicle, such as like on the dashboards and the door panels, and you're getting really deep in there and you're getting all the cracks and crevices, there is gonna be a chance that you're gonna get crumbs and stuff that land onto your carpet. So as opposed to you doing it first and then having to do it all over again at the end, we're gonna go ahead and do it now. That way we can prep the seats and the carpets ready, and we can go ahead and clean them with our fabric shampoo. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with vacuuming the interior, and then we'll be right back with you guys to show you guys how to clean the seats. All right, guys, so now that we're finished vacuuming the interior, it's time to move on to cleaning the upholstery seats and shampoo with our fabric clean. So right here we have our fabric clean, which is diluted to an 8:1 ratio, and that's a great ratio for deep cleaning. And then we're also gonna be pairing it with our spinner multi-surface drill brush. Now the spinner makes great use out of the power of your drill to deep clean and really get rid of embedded tough stains and dirt and grime that's lingering within the fabric itself. So we're using this combination to really achieve that deep clean and uplift any kind of embedded stains that are on the surface. So we're gonna mimic the exact same thing for the seats, and then we'll be right back with you guys once we're done. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. So as you guys saw, we went through a long journey of cleaning on this Mazda Tribute on the interior. As you guys saw, this thing was absolutely filthy, and when you look at it now, it looks as good as new. If you guys wanna pick up any of the products that we use in today's video, they're all gonna be linked in the description below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and leave us a comment on what kind of videos you'd like to see us do next. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you guys next time.